Right. There are 4 terms given below. 3 of them have a common factor other than 1. Underline the 3 terms. Alright. So, which one of these 3 have a common factor?
3, 6 and 9.
3, 6 and 9, that's right. Because they all, what divides into them all?
3.
3 divides into them all. Alright. So write down the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is?
9.
Highest common factor? 3 is the highest common factor, isn't it? 3 is the highest number that will divide into all 3. So how do you figure out the highest common factors? So you write down the factors of 3. So it's 1, 3. You write down the factors of 6. Look up. Write down the factors of 9. 1, 3, 9. Alright, so what's the highest number that will divide into 3? The highest number. Alright. The common factor. That's the highest common factor. HCF. Highest common factor is 3. Is there another way of doing it? Is there another common factor? Instead of looking at 3, the numbers, is there something else that will divide into all into 3 of them?
1.
You could have y there, for example.
Yeah.
Y will divide into all 3 of those. Right, we'll go on to B. It's on page 66 of your papers. Right, factorise each of the following. This is B part I. So 4x plus 8y minus 12z. Alright, and it starts off the sum for you. If you look up, 4, put it away. Right, so if I take 4 out of 4x, what's left over? 4 times what?
X, just 1x.
4 times x is 4x. 4 times what is 8y?
2.
4 times 2y is 8y. 4 times what is minus 12?
3z.
3.
Is it 3z?
No, just 3. Never, sorry, it's 3z.
Is that z?
Minus. So if I make that 4 times bigger, it's 12, isn't it? So that's how you do that one. Next one. Part II. You have AB. This is finding factors by pairing. 3b minus 6. And it started off the sum for you. So it tells you to take A out of the first bit, and it tells you take 3 out of the second bit. So it started off the sum for you.
So A minus
So A times
B
is AB.
minus,
Yeah, just write down the sign.
sorry, minus 2.
Minus 2. 3 times B is 3b.
And minus
3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Alright. And then it just asks you to write out two answers. What could the 3 answers be? First of all, you can write down B minus 2,
I could
B minus 2.
write A plus 3.
Yeah, A plus 3.
2b minus 2.
And you can write down B minus 2, B minus 2. You
If
can
you
write
wrote
that.
down all of the answers, would they give you marks?
But they only want you to write out
One of them.
this one of them.
That is perfect.
Alright. Next example. Part III. X squared. What are the factors of, we have to write down the factors of 6. Factors of 6.
4, 6.
Write it down like this. 1 times
1 times
1. 1 times 6 is 6.
2 times 6.
2 times 3. Which pair of factors adds up to 5? Look it up here.
3 and 5. 3 and 2.
3 and 2. So we need bracket, bracket, and 3 and 2. We do a check like this. 3 times x is 3x. X times 2 times x is 2x. What do you need to add them to get the 5x, don't you?
You do.
You need a plus 3x and a plus 2x. This plus goes left. This sign goes right. So that's my...
So is there any other way of doing them? 'Cause that's kind of complicated.
Well, that's probably the easiest way of doing it. Just practice is what you need. Part IV. Right, this is called the difference of 2, 16. What type of number is 16?
That's,
It's also
even. It's even. It is even.
It's an even number.
Yeah.
it's also a what?
Square.
Square number.
What if it's in a square?
Because 4, see the length of the side?
4.
4 times 4. How do you get b squared? B is a square number, b times b. 4 times 4. All you have to do is 2 brackets. One of the b's goes here. The 4 goes here. This b goes here. And this 4 goes here. Now to get a minus you need a plus times a minus. That's all you have to do for that.